Hi, welcome to another SY video. So today we're going to have a quick look at our multimeters here. In use, how we're going to go about using these things. Well, on site, we want to check a few things. Have we got power going to our device? Are our cables wired up correctly, and so on. So we want to set this to the right modes that we want to use. So at the moment I turn it on, comes on to voltage. So I want to set this to resistance mode. There we go, ohms mode. So if I touch my probes together there, it should go to 0. That's just measuring the resistance of the probes, that's good. So now we can check a fuse. Does this fuse work? Yes, look at that, got connection. So that's one simple way. Now another thing we're quite likely to want to do on site is check the wiring on one of our cables. So let's just move that across a little bit. So we've made a cable for connecting a device, a serial RS232 device, say from our computer and so on. Okay, so we've got a cable we want to test here. So let's try the first connection. So what is this connected to? Go across an ammeter. Right, that's connected to pin 3. That's pin 3. What's the next one? The middle pin. Right, so that's 5. It's got pin 3, pin 5, so hopefully this one's pin 2. And it is, there we go. So we can just check it's not connected to any of the others. That's right, pin 2, simple check. So this cable we're going to use for serial connection. We know it's good, we've just checked it out of our multimeter. That's one thing we can do. If I put this onto the voltage range now, voltage range, and then we could put it into on the end of a power supply. We've got it onto DC volts, are we? DC, right, let's check, are we getting any voltage? Yes, look, we're getting 12.38 volts on this power supply. So that's another good use for our multimeter. You might have a different kind of multimeter. You might have one of these type. So you can use it in the same fashion using these the leads, or you can use this one for measuring current. It's quite good because it's a clamp meter. So in which case, if you wanted to measure the current that was going through this cable, so that was a mains cable, pretend it's a mains cable, you could put your cable into the clamp, put it on current mode, and then measure how much current is going through that cable. So we go, there's a few little things that we can do with our multimeters. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.